So super glue on a nail, Dopped. My favorite way of removal. You can drop it in acetone, but the acetone stinks. And it takes a long time and the acetone evaporates. But the reason why we're using the torch, you can use a lighter, but the reason why we're using the torch is because this turquoise is so old, it has this super ancient backing formula, and the acetone just destroys it, it evaporates it. And some lady on a forum's like, she just takes a lighter to it. I've been doing this for like 2 weeks now, and it's my favorite way of removing stones from a nail. I wouldn't suggest doing this on all stones, but if you can do it on this stabilized turquoise with a weird old backing formula, you could probably do it on almost anything. And so you get it hot like that, and I just take it to the table like this, and yeah, comes right off, comes right off.